A verdict has been reached in the Erin Andrews case. The jury has awarded Andrews $55 million in her civil lawsuit against a stalker and the owner of a Nashville Marriott, where nude videos of Andrews were secretly recorded. Those videos were later posted on the internet. Andrews sued the owner and operator of the hotel and the stalker for $75 million. After the verdict, Andrews tweeted out this statement: "I would like to thank the Nashville court, the court personnel, and the jury for their service. The support I've received from the people of Nashville has been overwhelming. I would also like to thank my family, friends, and legal team. I've been honored by all the support from victims around the world. Their outreach has helped me be able to stand up and hold accountable those whose job it is to protect everyone's safety, security, and privacy." Joining us now is trial attorney Marie Napoli. Marie, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
So let me just ask you, Marie, what do you think of the verdict? Was this surprising to you?
Such a large verdict is always surprising, but I'm very happy for Erin and good for her. I think she deserves it, and she was not only victimized going through what she went through at the hotel, she was again victimized by having to go through the whole trial.
Because as you know, the defense had said that what they saw as sort of an individual actor here, the owners of the hotel said, you know, that was not us. That was the the individual who decided to do this.
Right, well, there's a difference between an intentional tort and negligence, and the person who committed this act, that obviously was an intentional tort, but it doesn't mean that they're not responsible for being negligent. They had an obligation to her to keep her safe. If someone's coming and asking for her what room she's in and asking for the room next to her, that should set off some alarm bells and at least do some kind of inquiry as to who this person is. And to have talked to her and said, do you know this person? This person's getting the room next to you. There was no warning. They did nothing. So I think that they were really very negligent, and this verdict will change conduct going forward for future hotels.
Yeah, that's going to be my next question. How do you think this outcome will affect how hotels handle high-profile guests in particular in the future?
Well, I think that they're going to take the extra effort to make sure they're safe, and that's what these laws are created, and these kind of verdicts do.